The world is curious about digital marketing. Everybody wants to know what digital marketing is, and everybody wants to write digital marketer with their name. So what digital marketing holds in the future for all of us? In this video today, I will unveil various facets which will discuss what is digital marketing, where should you pursue it, in fact why you should pursue it, what are the options available for you, and what all I can offer you. Hi, this is Manish, and I'll be offering you digital marketing course that is free of cost, but I'll also let you know what are the other mediums to get your digital marketing queries on. And to top of that, I will also suggest and recommend various online mediums which are offering free of cost digital marketing to you. So check back this video till the end, and this video will let you know what are the mediums or what are the things which are available to you to learn digital marketing. But before that, we would like to know what is digital marketing. You probably have heard about a term known as marketing. So what marketing is? Marketing is about analyzing your customer need, then manufacture the products or the services according to that, and then taking feedback of your customers. Are they satisfied with it? If they are satisfied with your product, you announce it to other customers. That's promotion or advertising or publicity. And if they are not happy with your product, you would like to resolve it. That is after sales services. So earlier it was like the traditional mediums were helping out how to carry on these things. Now we have converted this whole idea and we have taken it to digital mediums. So what are digital mediums? Any medium which involves electronic media is known as digital medium. So your radio, your television are also digital medium. But nowadays we are working on internet. We are working on social networking websites. We are working on Facebook. We are working on various other paradigms to let our customer know that we exist and we provide them services. So digital marketing is all about taking a step further, taking your marketing towards digital medium, taking help of digital medium to promote your goods, to take feedback, to announce your promotion, to do advertising, and to carry on various other stuffs which we were doing earlier on traditional basis towards digital medium. Most of you would be thinking that digital medium is like a magic which creates lot of customer, which creates lot of buying, and you can track your customers every time, you can track your sales every time. But there are tools for that. So in the coming video, I'll let you know what are these tools are, how would you learn about them, and what they can do for you. But before that, first of all, I would like to share why digital marketing is for you. So why you should go for online digital medium for promoting your products? Do you have any idea how many people in India are accessing internet? It's 560 million. We are the second country which is using so much internet services across the globe. The first one is China, and we are just behind China. So it's a huge population out there who will understand your market, who will understand your products, who will understand your services if you make them understand clearly. Have you heard about Google? Oh, whosoever would not have heard about Google. They're driving 96% of search queries online. Facebook. 263 million people are on Facebook. If Facebook is a country, it would have come on fourth number by the number of population or the people they have. That's a huge number on social networking website. Mobile market is growing. They're driving organic traffic for you. Organic means free of cost traffic. You don't have to invest anything into that. They'll be coming to your products. They'll be watching your products. They'll be accessing your products and notifying their services. So that's a huge thing. Companies are taking advantage. Flipkart, be it any other medium, Amazon coming to India, accessing it, Alibaba from China. So there are various examples. There are a huge population lying online and they're waiting for you. Make them understand that you exist there. And for your training need also, you would have been accessing Udemy and other websites. These are also examples that people are accessing new venues, new things in digital marketing area. I'll let you know how you can use digital marketing for your success, for your business as well. But before that, know that the coming generation will be using digital media. It is very much important for you to understand it, utilize it, because the customers are online. So from where you will learn digital marketing? That's a tricky question, because there are tons of data available online free of cost, and there are coaching institutes, and then I have also started my YouTube channel for that. The first recommendation obviously goes to my digital marketing channel, because it can be customized according to your needs. What is your need? You can share it in the comment box. You can write it down on my email ID. I'll be sharing that email ID to this videos as well. And then it can be customized. That's the best advantage you'll be having. If you don't like that, then there are other mediums. For example, Google is there, then Facebook is there, and there are other mediums as well. Google offers the digital marketing program into various curriculum based or module based system. So first it offer you the fundamental digital marketing program, and then they'll offer you the program from their advertising pattern, then they will offer you from the analytics part, and then there are various modules which actually talks about Google fundamental basics and Google tools. Once you're done with Google, then Facebook is there. They'll be sharing you the blueprint, Facebook blueprint sort of thing, which will let you know how to advertise on Facebook, why Facebook, what are various tools offered by Facebook. And if you're done with them, then there is HubSpot. HubSpot will offer you various digital marketing concepts. For example, content marketing is there. Then there are various tools available. YouTube is also sharing the same content for their promotions. So there are various tons of free material. I'll be sharing the links of important one in the comment box or into the description box. And then there are few institutes which are offering their services. They can be good. I'm not questioning on their credibility. They can be good. They can be sharing very, very important information. But I think if you have money to splurge, you can splurge it into tools which can be handy doing your digital marketing affairs online. So if you like to invest, you can invest it into your online websites or email marketing tools or various other tools. So I would recommend online free services and invest your money into the tools which are helpful for you in doing your digital marketing. So my reference will say stick to it. So my next video will be about what is digital marketing, where it all started, what are the various tools needed, what are the qualities you need in yourself to learn digital marketing, and I'll also discuss various tools which are available. So be prepared for the next session. If you want any topic to be included into that, please write it in the comment box, or you can mail me as well. My mail address is mentioned in the description box. Thank you for attending the session.